Our first visitors in Sardinia, Miriam and Jelle, set the tone. They spoil us with dinners and excursions.
With their rental car, we see the countryside and visit Sardex, a local currency, to learn about its sustainability benefits.
So, my computer broke down. I need to replace the hard drive. And our dear friends brought a new one from the Netherlands. So here we go.
In between guests, we cycle on Asinara Island. The former prison colony is now home to white donkeys.
That's the island of Asinara. And there's our passage.
This is relaxed downwind sailing along the west coast of Sardinia. Doesn't get any better than this.
Felicità, è una sera sorpresa, la luna accesa e la radio che va, è un biglietto d'auguri pieno di cuori, la felicità, è una telefonata non aspettata.
Fabio invites us to his parents' house to meet the family and enjoy a delicious homemade lunch.
We next host polar explorer and climate journalist Bernice Notenboom and her partner Collie, two very inspiring people. With friends from the Athletic Club in Hilversum, we visit Neptune's caves near Alghero.
Ivar's parents also visit us and treat us to lunches, excursions and a haircut. Sardinia is also Enzo's home. He spoils us with a home-cooked meal and olive oil from his own trees.